Folks, niko hapa basi Njeri, and for those who have been telling me Ezra nitafutie affordable one bedroom hizo pande za Kiamunyi, this is it sawa. So I'm here in a brand new apartment, alright. Units bado ziko full, iko na floor 4, alafu iko na rooftop kule juu for amazing views. Hey folks, so this is the most affordable one bedroom, alright, in this area Kiamunyi, and tuende ndani uangalie pale what we are talking about, si ndio hivyo? Now, sasa from here, so stairs zake namna hiyo. Mimi niko third floor, alright. You have pretty wide stairs hapo, okay, for easy moving in of your items. I am on third floor, so this is one of the units. Just look at the space. These one bedrooms are mega spacious. Sawa, look at that space. Hapa hivi you can easily do a 6-seater, no problem. Sawa, 6-seater. And now from here there's something else. Okay, kuna kitu moja hapa fiti, check view, alright, kutoka hapa hivi, alright. So the road is just about 100 meters straight on. Kuna mahali pale kuna lami, the Nakuru Cabro highway. Okay, so that is the living room again, that is the lounge, that is the sitting room hapo namna hiyo. Alright, okay, haya tuende next. Okay, let's go next. Next we are where? We are in the kitchen, straight on, that is the kitchen. Folks, this is a spacious one bedroom at an affordable price at just 13,000 Kenya shillings per month. You get this one bedroom. Okay, is there water here? Oh yes, God said, let there be water for my people. Okay, so let me show you again the size of that kitchen. Okay, and then out of the kitchen there's a balcony here. It is a private balcony. You can see hapo kando kuna ukuta, so you are not going to see eye to eye with your neighbor hapo. Okay, so your neighbor is on the other side, sawa. And so the backyard, okay, these are the views from your backyard namna hiyo, you know, the Njeri neighborhood at large. Okay, so it's a large balcony, unaona bado inaenda paka kule. Alright, so hey, wallahi mimi napenda kaka one bedroom. The tiles pale, wale wa kusema tiles, how are these tiles? Really simple, even the ones on the walls hapa really classy. Haya tu tukienda hivi hapa hivi, now that is your toilet. Wow, it looking really beautiful, sawa, because hapa hivi they went simple but you know classy, you know. Look at the tiles hapa hivi kwa kuta, you know, not too busy, not shouting, you know. Alafu that is the kind of flash iko hapa, and the toilet seat hapo. There's a tub nini, I mean the things you expect to find, you know, the shower head yake namna hiyo, the things you expect to find where in a bathroom. Okay, now kutoka hapo kuja hii pande nyingine, this is now the bedroom. Look at the size of that bedroom. Hapa hivi hata ukiwa na 6x6, which actually 6x6 kwa one bedroom saa nyingine ni extravagant, ni show off, alright. So lakini 5x6 hapa ndani ina fit vizuri. Look at the amount of storage you have there. You know, for a one bedroom house, you know, and the organization of those wardrobes pale, you know, really nice, ndio? Really nice. You know, there's a large window there. And actually, you know what time it is? It is 4 p.m. Cheki vile kajua kanapenyeza hapo kwa hiyo ukuta, kwa hiyo dirisha. It is 4 p.m. So the house is well lit, the apartment is well lit, there is light all around, hakuna mahali kuna giza, hata jikoni cheki tu. You know, cheki tu. You see the natural light pale. Okay? There is a lot to love in this one bedroom. Even on that side, you know, just see the amount of light coming into the crib, si ndio hivyo? So up to that point folks, Ezra nitafutie one bedroom hapo Kiamunyi na isipite 15k, si ndio? Hii sasa hapa tumepata leo. Ezra one bedroom hapo Kiamunyi na isipite 15k. This is it. This apartment is going for 13,000 Kenya shillings. My number is on the screen. Nimepatiwa hizi units, nizilete kwa soko, and I've done my job. The ball is in your court. Nipigie simu alafu niweze kuleta mada hapa, na pia si lazima nikulete. I can just, you know, hook you up with the landlord hapa, alafu you book your crib. So the apartment is brand new. Perhaps niende kwa rooftop alafu nikupeleke chini nikuonyeshe picha apartment, si ndio? Let's go. Okay, naenda rooftop. Very well, I am on the rooftop, and man, this place is truly amazing. Check it tu pale, you know. Yani kutoka hapa juu unaona pale kuna DSTV. Yes, there is DSTV. I forgot to tell you that. Kuna DSTV, so we kuja just plug in and play. All right, enjoy the games. Catch the games. Remember the season ya football inaanza. I'm on the rooftop again. Just look at the space, really nice. Okay, alafu kuna mita za maji ziko pale, so kila nyumba iko na mita yake ya maji. Unaona, hakuna kuanza kusema ati oh, sasa huyu jirani yangu ndiye alitumia maji mingi kuniliko, you see. So unaona mita za maji ziko hapo. Alright, kila mtu, kila nyumba iko na mita yake ya maji. Twende chini sasa nikushow the face of the apartment, but perhaps the view, you know, just a bit of a view from up here. Beautiful, wonderful rooftop hapa. Alright, really wonderful rooftop. Ezra nitafutia 1 bedroom. I've done my job. So, haya.